The Sanus Sonos Era 100 wall mounts are expertly designed to blend seamlessly with your Sonos Era 100 speakers, enhancing your entertainment space without disrupting the aesthetic. With a remarkably straightforward installation process, these mounts allow you to have your speakers securely on the wall in just 15 minutes, saving you time for what truly matters. These mounts offer exceptional flexibility with a tilt of 7 degrees upward or 32 degrees downward and a swivel of 72 degrees, all without requiring any tools. Offering versatile placement options, the mounts can hold your Sonos speakers either upright or inverted, accommodating various room setups. The mounts are equipped with a bottom threaded insert, ensuring that your Sonos speakers remain securely and safely attached to the wall. Sanus provides excellent customer support through its Minnesota-based experts, available 7 days a week to assist with any questions or installation issues.